Hi students, today we are going to learn about points of trisection of a line segment. In previous class we have learned about midpoint, that is bisection, which means a point divides a line into two equal parts. The formula for midpoint is m of x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. But here we are going to learn about the trisection, that is 2 points divides a line into 3 equal parts. If the point P and Q divides a line AB into 3 equal parts, then the point P and Q is called points of trisection. Now we are going to learn about the formula for points of trisection. The required point of P is x2 plus 2x1 by 3, comma y2 plus 2y1 by 3. And the required point of Q is 2x2 plus x1 by 3, comma 2y2 plus y1 by 3. Example 5.16. Find the points of trisection of the line segment joining minus 2, comma minus 1 and 4, comma 8. Let A minus 2, comma minus 1 and B 4, comma 8 are the given points. Let P of A, B and Q of C, D be the points of trisection of AB, so that AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Okay, AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. The points P and Q divides their line AB into 3 segments, so that AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. By the formula, P is the point x2 plus 2x1 by 3, comma y2 plus 2y1 by 3. Here x2 is 4 plus 2 into x1 is minus 2 by 3, comma y2 is 8 plus 2 into y1 is minus 1 by 3. 2 into minus 2 minus 4, that is 4 minus 4 by 3, comma 2 into minus 1 minus 2, that is 8 minus 2 by 3. 4 minus 4, 0, 0 by 3, 0, which is equal to 0, comma 8 minus 2, 6, that is 6 by 3, which is equal to 0, comma 6 by 3. Dividing 6 and 3 we get 2, therefore P is the point, the answer is 0, comma 2. Q is the point, the formula is 2x2 plus x1 by 3, comma 2y2 plus y1 by 3. Here x2 is 4, x1 is minus 2, y2 is 8 and y1 is minus 1, which is equal to 2 into 4 minus 2 by 3, comma 2 into 8 minus 1 by 3. 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 2 by 3, comma 2 8s are 16, 16 minus 1 by 3. 8 minus 2, 6, that is 6 by 3, comma 16 minus 1, 15, 15 by 3. Dividing 6 and 3 we get 2 and 15 and 3 we get 5. Therefore the answer is 2, 5. Next we are going to study about section formula. We studied bisection and trisection of a given line segment. These are only particular cases of the general problem of dividing a line segment joining 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 in the ratio m is to n. Given a segment AB and a positive real number R. If the line is divided in the ratio R is to 1, then the formula is R x2 plus x1 by R plus 1, comma R into y2 plus y1 by R plus 1. If R is taken as m by n, then the section formula is m into x2 plus n into x1 by m plus n, comma m into y2 plus n into y1 by m plus n. This is the standard form of section formula. Okay, the section formula is m into x2 plus n into x1 by m plus n, comma m into y2 plus n into y1 by m plus n. Example 5.17. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 3, 5 and 8, 10 internally in the ratio 3 is to 2. Let A 3, 5, B 8, 10 and the point P x, y divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio 3:2. By section formula, P of x comma y is equal to P of m into x2 plus n into x1 by m plus n, comma m into y2 plus n into y1 by m plus n. Here m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. x1 is equal to 3, x2 is equal to 8, y1 is equal to 5 and y2 is equal to minus 10. Therefore, P of x comma y is equal to P of 3 into 8 plus 2 into 3 by 3 plus 2, comma 3 into minus 10 plus 2 into 5 by 3 plus 2. By solving, we get P of 24 plus 6 by 5, comma minus 30 plus 10 by 5, which implies P of 30 by 5, comma minus 20 by 5. By dividing, we get P of 6, comma minus 4. Also, we can find P of x comma y through graphical method. We should plot the point A 3, 5 and B 8, minus 10 on graph sheet and draw a line by joining the points A and B. And the point of intersection is P of x comma y, that is 6, minus 4. Example 5.18. In what ratio does the point P minus 2, 4 divide the line segment joining the points A minus 3, 6 and B 1, minus 2 internally? Given points are A minus 3, 6 and B 1, minus 2. P of minus 2, 4 divide AB internally in the ratio m:n. By section formula, P of x comma y is equal to P of m into x2 plus n into x1 by m plus n, comma m into y2 plus n into y1 by m plus n, which is equal to P of minus 2, 4, which is given in the question. Take it as equation number 1. Here x1 is equal to minus 3, y1 is equal to 6, x2 is equal to 1 and y2 is equal to minus 2. Equation 1 becomes m into x21 plus n into x1 minus 3 by m plus n, comma m into minus 2 plus n into 6 by m plus n is equal to P of minus 2, 4, which implies m minus 3n by m plus n, comma minus 2m plus 6n by m plus n is equal to P of minus 2, 4. Equating the x coordinates, we get m minus 3n by m plus n is equal to minus 2, which implies m minus 3n is equal to minus 2 into m plus n, which implies m minus 3n is equal to minus 2m minus 2n. Taking m on one side and n on other side, we get m plus 2m is equal to minus 2n plus 3n, which implies 3m is equal to 1n. We have to find the ratio, so that we take the variables in one side and the numbers in other side, which implies m by n is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, m is to n is equal to 1 is to 3. Hence, P divides AB internally in the ratio 1 is to 3. Example 5.19. What are the coordinates of B if point P of minus 2, 3 dividing the segment joining A minus 3, 5 and B internally in the ratio 1 is to 6. We have to find the point B. Let A minus 3, 5 be x2, y2 be the given 2 points. Given P minus 2, 3 divides AB internally in the ratio 1 is to 6. By section formula, P of m into x2 plus n into x1 by m plus n, comma m into y2 plus n into y1 by m plus n is equal to P of minus 2, 3. By substituting the values in the formula, we get P of 1 into x2 plus 6 into minus 3 by 1 plus 6, comma 1 into y2 plus 6 into 5 by 1 plus 6 is equal to P of minus 2, 3. which implies P of x2 minus 18 by 7 comma y2 plus 30 by 7 is equal to P of minus 2 comma 3. Equating the coordinates, we get x2 minus 18 by 7 is equal to minus 2 and y2 plus 30 by 7 is equal to 3. By solving this coordinate, we get x2 minus 18 is equal to 7 into minus 2 minus 14, which implies x2 is equal to minus 40, here minus 18, that side plus 18, which is equal to 4. Then y2 plus 30 by 7 is equal to 3, which implies y2 plus 30 is equal to 7 3s are 21, which implies y2 is equal to 21 minus 30, which is equal to minus 9. Therefore, the coordinates of B is 4 comma minus 9. Okay, thank you students.